In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit coupon usage fast and easy, whether you're managing a bustling e-commerce business or simply looking to tighten control over your promotional efforts. Setting usage limits on coupons can be an invaluable tool. With just a few straightforward steps, I'll guide you through the process on WordPress, ensuring your discounts are working just as hard as you do. Let's dive in. First, let's begin by navigating to our WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where all your site's various settings and controls reside. Once you're logged into your WordPress site, head over to the dashboard. Just locate Dashboard from the menu to the left and click on it. Your WordPress dashboard is essential to accessing all aspects of your site, including your marketing tools. Now, once we've reached the dashboard, next up, we want to focus our attention on the marketing section. Look for marketing listed in your dashboard menu. When you click on it, a whole new array of promotional tools and options will be presented to you, including the important coupons section, which is precisely where we need to go next. On to the next step, navigate and click on coupons. This area is the ultimate control center for all your site's discounts and promotions. It's here where all your existing coupons will be displayed, allowing you to tweak them as needed. Now let's find the specific coupon you want to edit. It's likely listed there waiting for a bit of adjustment. With the coupon you wish to modify selected, click on Edit. This will open up a detailed view of all the parameters for that particular coupon. It's here, in this Edit view, that you're able to make precise changes to how your coupon is used. Next, direct your attention to usage limits. This section is crucial, as it determines how often a coupon can be applied on your site. Clicking on Usage Limits will expand the options available to you, allowing you to fine-tune these settings to suit your requirements. Within the Usage Limits section, locate Usage Limit per coupon and specify the number that best aligns with your promotional goals. Here, you'll define the total number of times your coupon can be used across all customers. Enter a reasonable limit, making sure it aligns with your intentions for the promotion. Following that, focus on usage limit per user. This is especially beneficial for controlling how often a single user can capitalize on your offer. Think carefully about what makes the most sense for your business and enter the appropriate number. Finally, remember to save all your updates by clicking on Update. This ensures that your changes are fully implemented and active on your site. Simply revisit this process whenever you need to alter your coupon strategies. By following these steps, you'll have the confidence that your promotions are precisely tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy couponing.